Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to convert Bitcoin to USDT on your Binance wallet. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. If you're new to Binance, all you have to do is scroll down until you see the first link in the description or until you see the first link in the comment section below, where it will refer you to make an account with up to 100 euros bonus as our special offer. So all you have to do is open your Binance application and log into your account. And then from here, as you can see, there's a list of coins that we can choose from, or we can simply go to our portfolio and choose it from here. Once you find Bitcoin, either from the portfolio or the market section, click on it. And as you can see, there's all the information that you will need, but most importantly, on the bottom right, there's a button that says convert. So simply click on that button. And as you can see right here, we have two options. And so if it's mixed, then all you have to do is switch it. And then as you can see Bitcoin from here, and you can transfer it to whatever currency you might like, and USDT is usually used the default option. And so from here you're going to fill in with whatever amount you might have, and then you're going to preview it, and then please check the input. But of course there's a maximum and a minimum account, and you should have it on you. And then once you do preview, it will tell you how much your fees will be, and that's pretty much it. Once you pay them, it will be transferred in minutes. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.